Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Linsey. What is up? So in today's video, I wanted to recreate a fun, spunky, blue, bright, colorful look. This is the look that I came up with. I went into my makeup collection and I pulled out the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette from Dose of Color. And let me tell you, this is actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. And this color, A Moment right here, to die for. So I just wanted to create a series where we go back into our makeup collection and pick out palettes that we haven't used and just create looks with it. I know a lot of people are scared of color, but don't be. Color is beautiful. If you guys don't like it, you know, you can always wipe it off. So with this palette, this is the look that I came up with. I am obsessed. Like, I am not a blue shadow type of girl, but this shadow, this color has shades of purple, maybe blue. I mean, just imagine when the light hits it. Beautiful. I hope you guys love this look as much as I do. I am obsessed with it. I cannot wait to actually go out and wear it out. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and grab a snack. I think it might be kind of a long video. So just go ahead and grab your mom, your grandma, your aunt, your sister, and let's get started on this video. Hi guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I already prepped my eyelids and I filled in my eyebrows off camera. So we're just gonna go ahead and start with eyeshadow. Okay, so today's look, we're gonna go ahead and use the Dose of Color Desi and Katy Friendcation palette, and we're gonna go ahead and start with the transition color, and it's going to be this one right here, and it's called Basic. Okay, and then this color is gonna go all over the crease. You don't have to be precise with this. You can actually just blend it all over your eyelid. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move to the second shade, and it's gonna be this one right here, and it's called Churro. Right, and then this one is going below Basic, and I'm gonna go ahead and start here in the corner and just do circular motions, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bring it inwards. So then I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the first blending brush that I use, and this one is the taper blending brush, the E40 from Sigma, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit more of Basic and just try to blend both of the shades together. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and move to the lid color, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this color right here, which is called A Moment, and we're gonna go ahead and place this all over our lid. This is actually the first time that I'm using this color, and you guys have to see the swatch. I'm gonna show you. Look how pretty that is. It is beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick up A Moment, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up with my finger and then just dab it onto the lid, and then we're gonna go ahead after that just go in with a brush. Look how pretty that color is. I cannot believe I've never used this shade. It's so beautiful, and it has flecks of purple, light blue, green. It is so pretty. And then I'm gonna go ahead and move to the other eye and do the same thing. And then with this color, I'm trying to just stay as low as possible. I really don't want to go all the way up to the, I'm just trying to put it in as close to my lash line as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and use a flat brush, and I'm using the ColourPop E3 flat brush right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just pack the color onto the lid, and I'm going to blend this with the crease colors. Okay, and then I'm going to be moving between colors, so I'm going to pick up Necessary here as well as Churro. So I'm going to go ahead and grab both of those and then just blend the crease with both of these colors. are done blending, we're gonna go ahead and just pack the shade A Moment again, and we're just gonna go ahead and just pack it up because we did lose it while we were doing all this blending. So just stay as close as you can to the lid. So now that we packed in the shade A Moment, now we can just go ahead and just clean all the fallout that we had from the shade. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move to mascara, and I'm going to go ahead and use the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash from MAC, and I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and we're just going to go ahead and coat our eyelashes. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just pop some lashes, and I'm using the Vegas nail lashes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly pop them on. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, we're gonna go ahead and move to the face, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Benefit Professional Primer, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over the face. So now we're going to go ahead and move to foundation, and I am using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Foundation, and I am in the color Warm Beige. Okay, and then this one's a little pump, so I'm going to go ahead and just pump some onto my sponge. So now we're going to go ahead and move to Tarte Shape Tape, and I am in the color medium. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and now set my concealer, and I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX finishing powder in the color Banana. And I'm just going to leave this here, and I'm just going to go ahead and just let it bake a little bit. And then while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and just set the rest of my foundation with the Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder. So while we wait, I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of contour, and I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. And I'm going to go ahead and use the 3 shades, like these 3 shades, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix them and just contour my face. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just dust the powder. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and move to blush, and I'm going to use the Tarte blush in the name Partey. So we're going to go ahead and move to highlight, and I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown highlight in the color Bronze. Okay, so now that we are done with the face, we're going to go ahead and go back to the eyes, and I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and just work on the bottom lash. I'm going to use the last 2 shades that we use from the palette. I'm going to go ahead and use Necessary, which is the middle shade, with Churro, which is the one here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just mix them together, and I'm just going to buff this on my lower lash line. I'm going to go back and use the E3 Color Pop brush, and I'm going to go ahead and grab A Moment. I'm going to go ahead and place this on my lower lash, but just on the outer part. Okay, and then the shade, I actually brought it in 3/4 of the way. And then the remaining space, we're gonna go ahead and just add a lighter shade just to open up our eyes. Okay, and then just with another tiny brush, I have no idea where I even got this, but just a tiny brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Just a Kiss, this shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just place this in the inner corner. Okay, and then the last thing, we're gonna go ahead and just put some mascara. Okay, so now that we are done with our eyes, we're gonna go ahead and move to our lips. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the NYX lip liner pencil in the color Nude Pink, and I'm gonna go ahead and just outline my lips. And then for the lips, I'm gonna go ahead and just use a lip gloss just because our eyes are kind of bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use the lip gloss, and I'm gonna use the NYX Tan lip gloss. It's an oldie, but I really like it. Alright, so now that we are done, we're gonna go ahead and just set our face, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the ColourPop All Star Face Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just lock my makeup in. Alright guys, well that completes the look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Just go ahead and click the link down below. Also hit your notification bell just so you know when I do upload. I hope you guys love this look, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!